Hello, Mal from Tantric Journey. I have to ask you, okay, you do very intimate work, I think is a correct phrase for it. Can you tell me, what's the difference between the work you do that you perform on women and okay, what a woman would experience from a lover?
Okay. Both the lover and the healer will work on the same chakras. Okay. There are 7 chakras in our body.
Yes.
And the lover will start opening the chakras spiritually, and they will look into each other's eyes to fall in, to get a connection. And then they will communicate with the throat chakra, and they will talk and hear. Then they will fall in love, and then they will become intimate with the third chakra. Then they will have sex, make love in the sexual chakra. Then the last chakra is the first chakra. Then they will live happily ever after.
Okay.
So the object of the lover is to meet the partner spiritually, and then to open all the chakras, the 7 chakras, and to live happily ever after and have children and make a beautiful home. Now the healer also, the journey is exactly opening the same pathway of the same chakras, but starting from opening the first chakra at the lower part of the body and opening the chakras to the upper part of the body. And the purpose of this chakra opening is to open the client spiritually.
Okay.
Whereas the lover's purpose is to open the client and to happily live ever after and get married. But the healer's purpose, intention is to open the client spiritually.
Okay.
So as a healer, I first of all open the first chakra. And when I open the first chakra, this means that I will make the client feel safe and confident and feel trusting. So once I open up the client in the first chakra, then I open the second chakra to do the sacred spot massage. Then this will open up the second chakra, and I will teach her how to help her to ejaculate, and that will open up the second chakra. By her learning how to ejaculate will help her to remove the negative emotions that she receives every day in her life. Once she opened up the second chakra, then I help her to open up the intimacy chakra, which has 5 gateways of opening all the 5 senses of vision, touch, smell, taste, and hearing. So after opening the intimacy chakra, then I will teach her how to open the heart chakra.
Okay.
A lot of people, heart chakra is closed because they have been let down many times in their life, or father leaving or mother leaving the home, or the first boyfriend breaking their heart, or the boyfriend husband leaving them. They have closed their heart. So I teach them another way of loving and opening the heart with unconditional love. So there are no conditions attached to this love. So therefore they can open the heart freely without any fear, because if they don't expect anything, then if they have nothing to lose, then they can freely open the heart. So once they open the heart, I'll teach them how to open the throat chakra, which is to do with communication. And you find many relationships break up lack of communication. So if they start opening the throat chakra and being able to communicate, ask what they want and tell what they don't want, many problems in the world can be eliminated by communicating effectively. So that gets blocked with the throat chakra, which is one of the most difficult chakras to open. But I help my clients to open the throat chakra. Once the throat chakra is open, then the third eye chakra opens by itself, because the energy moves upwards to the crown chakra, and from the throat chakra it goes up to the throat chakra, and after the throat chakra opens, energy crosses in the third eye. So the third eye opens. That's why we have 2 petals here when you open the third eye, whereas in the first chakra you have 4 petals opening, and second chakra has got 6 petals opening, and the intimacy chakra got 10 petals opening, heart chakra got 12 petals opening, throat chakra got 16 petals opening. So it's like a funnel. As you go up to the throat chakra, it is more and more difficult to open the throat upwards. But once you open the throat chakra, energy crosses and the third eye opens, which is only 2 petals, because it opens by itself. and then energy crosses the other way. So crown chakra to open, it's they call it 1,000 petals, which is a lifelong spiritual growth or your development, personal development work that you do with using the Tantra practices to open the crown chakra. So basically the purpose of the intention of the healer is to open the chakras from the root to the crown. That's the purpose of the healer. He has no intention of getting married or settling down with the client, and you make the client independent, not dependent, by working up this way. But if you work this way, you make the client dependent on you, because you open the crown chakra and then you open the base chakra. So therefore you make the client dependent on you. That's normally is a lover who actually open the chakras this way to settle down and have a family, right? The healer works the other way around. But you're still opening the same chakra channel for a different purpose.
Different purpose. And it's the intent then that's the
is
difference.
The intention is what matters.
Yes.
Which way you're going to go. Are you going to have sex with her, going down this way and to get married with her, or are you going to open up for a spiritual opening and to heal her?
So then she can go on to find a partner,
have that relationship. And have that relationship. Absolutely.
Well, thank you for clarifying that. Thank you very much.
You.